Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this EPABINA LED strip light. Yeah, it's currently listed on Amazon in two versions. One version with a 20 feet LED strip and one version with a 40 feet LED strip. I have the one with 50 feet and there has been one with 70 feet. I don't know why they are not available anymore. But at the moment I would definitely pick the 40 feet because it's just $2 more than the 20 feet, so it could be well worse. I mean, anyway, they come at a really very low price when you consider what you get. You'll get a really comprehensive package which you are only seeing very rarely, and this could be one of the best buying opportunities for LED strips. So I'm going to check it out and show you everything I can. Here's some description, and so let's open the thing and see what we get. Okay, so there's an 18 months extended warranty available. Looks like there's even some support. Yeah, very nice. So that's the whole packaging. That's a quick instructions manual. Yeah, it's not very small but also not very large. Maybe I can show you the whole thing very quickly. So if you lose the instructions, or if you want to just to make a better buy decision, or you lost it, or you bought used, or whatever you did, I mean, it can always be very helpful to have the full instructions manual. Just make sure you go to the highest resolution 1080p, put it on pause on every page so you have plenty of time to read everything, especially maybe if you need to do a reset or so. Yeah, one thing is really important here. We got a normal remote control. So with a lot of LED strips you don't get any such things. You get just the app, and if you cannot connect with the app, sometimes it can be really difficult. Then you don't have anything. Here you have the remote control, and you have even some control here with the normal control. That's pretty nice. We have even different functions. Sometimes you get nothing on the controller, sometimes you have just one button. Here we have even two buttons. Really nice with this smiley. This could be a nice gift for children, teenagers, especially with this smiley thing. Then solid power supply, and then here again the support information. This could be really helpful. So here we get the LED strip or the LED strips, depending on what you are buying. Looks actually solid, I would say. We get even some 3D sticker here. I guess that's for the controller to put it somewhere, but apart from that there's no mounting material. I have to know that. Sometimes you get some mounting material. There are no connectors, no mounting, no nothing. But of course the LED strip itself comes with a nice glue in the bag, so you shouldn't have any problem with that. And if you need something, you can always buy in supermarkets or like Home Depot or so. So here's the remote control. Looks like it comes even already with a battery inside. You have to remove this plastic here. To open that, I guess we have to squeeze this together and then pull. It can always be a little bit difficult behind the camera, but apart from that you can see, yeah, you get it with the nice battery, so it should work right from the beginning. So let's connect the power adapter, and then what I recommend actually is usually to connect first the LED to the controller and only after that to the power. It's usually more safe. What I see, this is a really nice design, something new, something which you see only very rare, that it comes with this safety plug here. So normally you have these 5 pins which you have to connect, but you can also connect it in the wrong way like this, and they have these arrows, and the arrows are barely visible. So this is much better thing actually here, much more safe, especially I would say for children, teenagers. Yeah, this thing is really bright. Yeah, when we connect it right away, it's very bright. So this means also it's producing a lot of heat, and I shouldn't use that too long. I mean, maybe I can decrease the brightness. Let's see if I can turn this down immediately here. And we see already some different options here, like the red, the green, and the blue, and some sound options. Yeah, it has even already some sound or like audio options. I'm going to try that, and we can also increase or decrease the brightness. You can see that here. It looks like the remote control, yeah, sometimes is causing some weird things, but in general it looks like it's working. Sometimes you have to go really close. I don't know if the battery is weak. I mean, it's a standard battery, we can replace that, and after that I guess we have some better reception, but at least we have been able to turn down the intensity and of course also the heat. What's important to know here, we cannot put it sequentially. There's no ending, at least as far as I can see. There's no plug here or like a port here, so you can extend this like to 40 or 50 feet like in once. So you have to use this in parallel, so one thing here and one thing here, so there's no like straight line of 50 feet here. But I'm attaching now the second one. Okay, so here we are. You can see it's doing exactly the same. No matter what you do, it's always the same for both of the LED strips, and it has definitely enough power for both. We can increase the brightness for short time, so you can see you can have full brightness on both of them, but definitely I would not recommend to do this when they are on the reels. So I've downloaded the app from the QR code here, so let's see how easy or difficult it is to use or to connect it. Of course we have to give authorization. The strange thing is it didn't ask for any connection details, so is it already connected? I have no clue, but it looks actually that it's already connected. Yeah, it's the easiest thing as you can have. That's crazy. I've never seen it so easy. So usually you have to connect or pair or do crazy stuff. So probably it's using Bluetooth and not Wi-Fi, but still it's super easy. It's much easier than with most other LED strips. That's crazy. And you can choose your color. You can see I've reduced the light a little bit so you can see how beautiful this really is. Can see you can change all the colors so easy through the app. It's absolutely insane. The only thing which I don't see is like a white is always very difficult with the LED strips. It's not just something which we have here, but it's always very difficult. Oh yeah, here we have some kind of white. It's not bad, but you can see somehow some designed light, like some composite light, white light. I mean, there's still some color inside you can see, but when you look a little bit from further away, it looks pretty much like white. That's not bad, that's pretty good. And of course you can direct change the thing, and you can see how fast this is reacting. So there are different styles, almost endless. I mean, I could show you these things for hours. We can choose also music to play. I mean, that's not using then the microphone, but you can click on something, then it would play the music, and then it would apply a pattern based on the music. But you can also use the speaker. Now the only thing which you can hear is the AC in the back, and of course me talking, so it's blinking then according to my voice. Also interesting, then you have the schedule. That's the most important thing for me actually, that you can put it on a schedule, so you can add different on and off times for different days, and that's really important. By the way, again, back to the controller. Here we have just different colors here. I don't know exactly what it is. There was no close description, but you can see you can press a couple of times and then it's changing the color. And on the right side it should activate 4 different microphone modes, and you can see that it's also reacting to my voice. If you click again, it goes probably in the second voice or like microphone mode, then third microphone mode and fourth microphone mode. You can see there has been definitely a little bit of a difference. Whereas the microphone, I have really no clue. The infrared light is here, so if you're having problem with the remote control, go as close as possible to this thing here. But actually it's designed to work almost from any angle, but of course it won't work from the back. So I think I've been showing you enough regarding the function, so it's almost endless. It's crazy what you get. What's also important to know that we buy the right size of LED strips. It's important to have a 10mm width, and this is exactly 10 millimeter. Why is it important that we can get some standard accessories like this thing here, connectors, if you really have to cut. So in case it is too long and you don't want to wrap it up, or you need to cut because something is broken. This can always happen when you are not careful or animals are around. By the way, cutting, you should always only cut in this area here. There's a mark, and then you can use such things to reconnect. I mean, it's not included, but it's very cheap, like just a couple of dollars. And so it's very important to have this 10 millimeter with 4 pins, so you can use all these standard adapters. And here's on the back you can see the glue. I'm not taking it away, only then I recommend to only take it away when you need it, but you can see this nice glue here protected. So everything absolutely perfect, and it even comes for a really very attractive price. It has this thing here which makes it even more attractive for young kids and teenagers. And here we have it again, the box. Absolutely awesome, fantastic package, and I can highly recommend this thing for you. And we'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, thanks for watching, and see you next time.